Hello friend, welcome once again in this series related to mind control. Before we start further, let me thank everyone who has contributed in our life, my life, your life, and made us able to discuss all those things. So in last session, we were discussing about the nature of mind. So we had seen that mind is or we had defined it as a wild mind, restless, extremely fickle, and very powerful and stubborn also. So when this kind of situation is there, how to control this type of mind? So if we want to control the mind, what exactly the motive behind? So most of the time or all the time you will find the motive is to seek happiness. And if we look at the design of our system, our mind, body, so basically it works on the pain and pleasure. So when we talk about control of mind, it is actually very difficult. We can't perceive it with the senses. Have you seen someone who has tried to change the direction of storm? No, only you will have to change your situation, your place, your location. As we are saying that it is difficult, but it is possible. Then what to do? Solution is detachment. Solution is detachment. Now, if we have to detach ourselves from something, so we need to know what exactly we are attached to. So when we talk about this attachment, so we are actually attached to temporary, fleeting things and situation, seeking fulfillment. Sometime it is related to security, ever changing word of form, and our thoughts are or negative traits where they are attached, like sometime intense desire which result into anger, greed, delusion, arrogance, jealousy. And how this attachment arises? It is actually the habitual pattern of thinking, feeling, behaving, creating a case of suffering for us. And actually, when we talk about this control of mind, so less dependence on other thing can help you in controlling the mind. So when we talk about attachment, so actually we need to get rid of attachment, because this attachment leads to a slavery. It leads to worries. It leads to anxiety. How it happens? It happens because of our unintelligent interaction with the word of object, and it create a kind of addiction. And if somehow we could reduce that addiction, so this process will lead us toward the ultimate goal, which is happiness. We need to change the thinking pattern. Whenever we try to change something, so one assumption which we need to consider here, that word is perfect. And the only one, that means me, who is imperfect. Good intention behind every action can help you in this process. So we need to detach ourselves, but that doesn't mean that we will not have attachment to any other. Attachment with all the people who are there in our life, but detachment for ourselves. And how to develop this detachment? One simple thing is that you need to think about what kind of pain it can create in future, and keep a healthy distance between these things. So this is something related to how we can step toward the control of mind. If there is any specific query, you can always put a comment. I will try to answer that. So in next video, most probably we'll try to see how exactly we will be doing, or where is the control actually which we want to take. So with this, I end here. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening to the video. Thank you.